Welcome back to the mill. Matthew and I want to tell you we appreciate you tuning in. What we got today is a big wide oak log, and she is ugly. We're going to talk about how to make the best out of an ugly log. Hang on, and we'll be right back. What Matthew's going to do, I prefer to saw the biggest end up next to the sawmill. So he's going to grab that log from the other end. And we're going to try to stand up there and saw some small cookies off of it to dry and sell and use. It's too pretty not to try. So. Okay, here comes Matthew with that big log. I'm gonna go over here and get on the hydraulics and try to help him land it and get it turned up where we can cut it. You seen Matthew expertly get that set up there. It's got two knots. One's standing up vertical and this one's kind of laid over at another 70 degrees. So I'm gonna come through here and take some probably 1.5 inch cookies right off the top till we get down to here. Stop, turn the log up to where this cluster of knots is up at 90 degrees. Take it down till it hits the trunk and probably roll it over to that knot cluster right there and do the same thing. It's time consuming, but these are beautiful pieces when you get them off, you get them kiln dried. There's some value here, so I consider so far it's worth the effort. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's make some sawdust. Stuff running. That's gorgeous, people. This is why we do it. So get off in and try it yourself. I hope you enjoyed that footage. We cut cookies off one end, rolled it up. You see us get some beautiful cookies off this end. And then I come right through and made a clearing cut. The reason I did that, it was close enough that we got a flat spot on our log now. So we've got this log beaten. We'll roll it over 90 degrees and start whittling it down. Be careful when you're doing this because you got the saw way up. You know, you're really exposed. So just use extreme caution, but it can be done. And let's get her turned over and do some more. You seen us go through this log. We've got a cant now. We won't bore you with cutting the rest. We're gonna finish up right here. Let me show you why I'm not gonna quarter saw this log. If you see right there, there's a heart. If you look right here, it's another heart. It's double hearted. It's not gonna yield a good quarter saw board. So we'll probably cut this down to about 8-inch wide board, and then we'll just flat saw it all to make him good boards. Now, Matthew's got the cookies out here. We want to look at them. We'll be right back. Okay, guys, the goal of this video was taking an ugly log and getting all you could out of it. But we just looked at the cant. The cant turned out excellent, other than it's double-hearted. It'll make decent flat sawn 5/4 boards. What we got here are 9 good-sized cookies. Now, these are gorgeous with the radial grain. We'll put these in the kiln next time we run a batch of hardwoods and dry them down. They'll come out good. So, like I said, the point of the video is how to make an ugly log the best you can out of it. And this is what you can do. If it's got some good crotch notches that you can saw diagonally, take them out, use them, sell them to the customer as part of their board foot package, whatever. You know, they may want them. This customer don't, because I know what he wants. He wants 5/4 sawn boards for kitchen cabinets. So we'll take care of these, try to make a little money, move them on or use them for personal projects. I hope this helps. Not every log's gonna be perfectly round. Be honest with you, most of them are not gonna be perfectly round. They're gonna be odd looking, they're gonna have knots, especially yard trees, they're gonna have a lot of limbs, and you gotta work around them. Got any questions, comments, leave them in the description below. We'll be glad to answer them. If you watched our previous video where we quarter sawed that, you can really see the difference in a good log versus an okay log. So, anything to add there, Matthew? No. That's going to do it for today, guys. We greatly appreciate you watching. Don't forget about Joe Maine at Industrial Cutting Tools. They help us out with our blades. If you need anything, get in touch with them. Their link will be in the description below. Also, shout out to Third Beard Fishing, Solomon. If you get a chance, check him out. Sucker caught a big old monstrous bull shark the other night. I don't know what we're going to do with him. He caught a jack about this big, and they chopped it up for bait. I'm like, yeah, out of your mind, eat that thing. But anyway, check them out, give them a look. We appreciate it, guys, and we'll see you next time back at the mill.
Thank you for watching. Here's a video selection and a playlist suggestion. Click here to subscribe for more great content. We'll see you at the mill.